Hello everyone, today we are going to make my favorite hot chocolate for the winters. Firstly, we will add 1 cup of milk in the vessel, followed by half tablespoon of corn flour in 1/4 cup of milk and stir it well. Add the mixture in the milk and add half cup of cream, followed by 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Stir it well until there is no lump. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add half cup of chopped milk chocolate. Then add 1/4 cup of white chocolate. Stir the mixture well and let it boil enough to have a perfect thick consistency. I have boiled it for 4 to 5 minutes. This is the perfect consistency I love. Take out the hot chocolate in a cup, sprinkle some cinnamon powder. Top it off with marshmallow, chopped chocolates and enjoy!